In this video, we will show you how to render a hybrid log gamma version from a finished Dolby Vision master using DaVinci Resolve Studio. Import the finished Dolby Vision master into a new project and create a new timeline. To review how to set up a project, please follow the link in the video description. For this video, we will use the DaVinci YRGB color, but you could also use a color management system like ACES CCT or DaVinci YRGB Color Managed. In the color management settings, set the timeline color space to match the color encoding primaries of the imported Dolby Vision master. In this example, select P3D65ST2084 1000 nits and set the output color space to Rec 2100 HLG. Navigate to the color page to add a color space transform from the Resolve FX palette. Leave the input color space and gamma set to use timeline. Set the output color space to Rec 2020 and the output gamma to Rec 2100 HLG. For a straight 1-to-1 mapping, set both tone and gamut mapping to none. When you set the output color space to Rec 2100 HLG, the scales of the HDR scopes in Resolve will be limited to 1000 nits. If your Dolby Vision master incorporates luminance values above 1000 nits, you should first tone map the content to 1000 nits before converting it to HLG. Please note that highly saturated colors in a 1000 nits PQ signal may extend beyond the color volume of a 1000 nits HLG signal. Navigate to the Deliver page for rendering in hybrid log gamma. Choose a file name and the format and codec of your choice. You can leave all other settings at their default values. Once the render is complete, you can use a tool like Media Info to quickly verify that the correct color primaries and transfer function have been applied to the render before performing a full quality control check.